Okay, that's Nikki. She is actually being very stubborn right now. She doesn't want to look at the camera. Nikki, look at the camera. Okay, there's a bit of looking. Okay, Nikki, sit. 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 Good girl. Now look at the camera. Look. Nikki. She really wants to get out right now. She doesn't really like filming. But there she is. Like I said in the other video, she is a German Shepherd. She is very annoyed right now. She is 6 years old, and whenever you put a treat near her or hide it from her, she will sniff all around and try and find it. Okay, that's my dog Nikki. Hope you liked her. Stay tuned for more episodes of My Dog Nikki.